long division with remainders using number chips. This is the Easter version, and this is a digital lesson. It's a lot of fun for the students. They can move these numbers around their screen in order to solve their division. So it starts out with some vocabulary, dividend, divisor, and quotient, and where those go in the division problem. And it just starts out very simple on the first slide, which is slide 4. Students are going to be moving these chips into place, and all they're asked to do is place the numbers correctly, inside or outside the box. So every slide has every number the students need, so they know they have to use them all. And it's just a practice in moving the chips, as well as practice in learning where these numbers go. So you just click and hold on the edge of a number and then move it into place. So that's all they're doing on slide 4. Slide 5 has an acronym that might help the students remember the steps: dad, mom, sister, brother, divide, then multiply, then subtract, and then bring down. And we're going to take it one step at a time in this lesson. So the first step is just division. So 47 divided by 9. Well, 9 doesn't go into 47 evenly, but it will go into 47 5 times. So they click and hold on the 5, and there's only 3 choices on this slide, with some left over. 7 goes into 29 4 times with some left over, and 6 goes into 8 1 time. So that's the division step. The next step, they're going to add the step 2, which is to multiply. So they already know where the numbers go. They've practiced doing that. So they're going to put 42 divided by 5. And then 5 goes into 42 8 times. So they've only got 3 choices left. Then they're going to multiply the numbers outside the box. So 8 times 5 is 40. So that's just the first 2 steps: divide and then multiply. The next slide, it's going to be the same problem, but they're going to add the next step, which is subtract. So they know where the numbers go. That part's easy. And as these problems get more difficult and longer, when they get to the end and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So in that way, it's self-checking. So 5 goes into 42. This is the division step, 8 times. And their quotient or answer is up here on the top row. Now they're going to multiply these numbers on the outside. They did that on the last slide. We're going to do that again. So the first 2 steps, and then the third step is just to subtract. 42 subtract 40, and they get 2. And they've already got their answer, 8, remainder 2. Now they've got a lot more practice on the next few slides. So they're going to do the first 3 steps here again. And then this one, they're going to add the step of bring down. So multiply or divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So they're going to use all of the steps. So they've got several to practice, and when they get to the end, they're just given a slide that says excellent job. So this is long division with remainders using number chips, and it's the Easter version.